What's good, YouTube? I'm back here with another video. Today we got Cooking with Chef Phantom. Today we will be cooking, what's it called again? Macaroni and cheese with ground beef. And today here I got my little man. No, this is not my son. This is just my little brother. Anyways, come with me. Well, first of all, you already know your first ingredient is gonna be the ground beef, clearly. Yeah. Come on. Follow me. You're also gonna need some of the macaroni and cheese. Now I prefer Kraft. Only get Kraft. You can get all these at Walmart. If you wanna sponsor me, Walmart, just hit me up, you feel me? Alright, anyway, keep going. And of course, you already know you're gonna need your seasoning for your ground beef, because you gotta make sure that you have seasoning in your food. You know who I'm talking about. Yeah, we got the black pepper and the all-purpose seasoning salt. And keep coming. Come to the fridge. All right, now let's wait for the lights. Come on, lights. All right, now we got your vitamin D. Your vitamin D milk, if you don't drink any other milk other than this, then you're kind of dirty. If you drink that Blue Cap milk, that 1% milk, that's water. Stop drinking it. Get you some of this whole milk. Here you go. Take that. Next, what you want to get? You want to go ahead and get your cheese. Now, I prefer mozzarella. I don't know who the fuck went and got this cheese, but I normally like mozzarella cheese. And whoever bought this, you can do better. Come on, like, this is not good cheese. But yeah, go ahead and get you some cheese. Cause you want your macaroni and cheese to be cheesy. You don't want it to be like taste like the cheese that come in the little packet. That's kind of nasty. And of course, you want to go ahead and get you some butter. This is the preferred butter that I normally get. I always get this. All these can be found at Walmart, by the way. Once again, Walmart, that sponsor. If you looking, you feel me? Get you a pepper. This is a sweet pepper. I like the red ones. You're gonna put this back into the ground beef. All right, so now let's go back. Now, where we gonna go from right here? Come on. I don't know what all that was, but come on, man, you taking too long. We're gonna go ahead and get you your pots. Now you wanna get you a pot like this. Then you wanna get, this is for the mac and cheese. You wanna get you a frying pan for your meat. Don't mind him, he's irrelevant.
Alright.
Probably since he's being so loud, he acting like I'm not shooting a video. Yeah, you want to go ahead and get your water in here. You don't want to fill up your water too much now. I'll show y'all. Just to right about there, you feel me? Put that on the stove. Do not start it up yet. I'm going to show y'all why in a minute. Hold on. Baby girl just texted me, you feel me? Yes. Oh, sorry. But nah, we did all that. And your frying pan, make sure that you wash out your frying pan as always. Go ahead, get you like that. Make sure you wipe it off, make sure it's dry. Right here, you can put this on the stove. You can put this out on the stove. Do not, right here. Do not, not this right here. Do not start that up, or else you will burn down your house. And I don't want you burning down your house. Come on. So now we about to season. We about to season up the meat. Go ahead, take your all-purpose seasoning. Pour some of that on there, like that. Take some of your black pepper, of course. Do a little bit of that. Wasn't coming up, my bad. And you gonna need to get you a knife, of course, cause you got your sweet pepper. But you gonna need to watch out. You gonna need to cut up. Make sure you don't cut yourself open. Look at that. Ooh. Go in there. You just wanna cut it one more time. Then you wanna, this is not the proper way to cut up anything, by the way. I'm just doing this cause I'm lazy. Now I feel like, here, just go ahead and throw them in there. Shit. Go ahead and throw all that in. Goddamn peppers. Should get in my nose. But yeah, we gonna have this right here, just like that. Take. Mix all that up. See how that looks? That looks real nice. All that right there. A little bit more of the seasoned salt. And then keep going. Just like that. Maybe you want to throw a little bit more black pepper on that. I take out that part where I say black because that shit is so lame. Anyways, y'all, but yeah, now you see we got the meat seasoned up quite a bit. We got it seasoned up quite a bit. Now, what you want to do from here is make sure you always wash your hands when you move from station to station. By the way, stay sanitary. For one, you're gonna need one of these. Two, you're gonna need one of these. Now, take some of your butter. Let me show y'all a bit closer. Take some of your butter. You wanna put this on. Put the fire on. Let that heat up for a bit. In the meanwhile, you open up this. You wanna actually do both of them pretty much at the same time. You wanna pull this over. And actually, we're gonna need to wait for the water to boil up. So we'll be right back. Alright, so now we're back. You see, as you can see, the hold on, let me go ahead and let me get a little bit of light on it. As you can see, the water over there is bubbling up, heating up. Now what you want to do is so that your whole thing there doesn't stick together, pour some of that in there. Vegetable oil. What I meant to say was take this out, you pack it, and just pour it all into there. Right, and then you got your spoon. You got your spoon. Go ahead and do a little bit of that. Make sure it doesn't stick on the floor of the pot. My bad for saying the floor. But yeah, you want to just wait for that to bubble up, for that to heat up. In the meanwhile, though, you can go ahead, put this on high. I'm trying to show them the thing. Put it on high. Look at the fire. Get that flame going. As you see, you want it on the highest, cause don't nobody else use. You don't use nothing else other than high now, do you? What else they got on here? High, ignite. All you ever got to do is just put it on high whenever you're cooking something, so that you feel me, just get done real quick. We got the ground beef. We want to go ahead, take you some of that butter. Get you your spatula. Make sure you already done it all. Yeah, but you gotta keep following me. Now, you got this. Go here, take one of these scoops. Whoop. Let that sit there, let that simmer for a bit. Make sure it gets around the pot, as you can see. Woo. Now we're just gonna wait for that to go ahead and even out. I don't really know why I'm doing this right now, but I'm doing it. Go ahead and make sure that you keep getting your butter around, because you don't want it all to like go out in one place. So you want to go ahead and do a little bit of this. God damn, I just touched a fucking pot. Make sure, if you're going to use a pot without a handle, because I don't know why the fuck we got pots without handles. If you're going to use a pot without a handle, make sure that you prepare, get your gloves on so that you can do a little bit of this when you're ready, alright? Anyways, put those back over there. Now you want to take the beef, pour it all on that, just like that. Just let that sit there. And you got to wait for the meat to like, you feel me, like heat up. and like fry up so that so that the juices can start to get flowing. And once the juices get going, and you feel me, it's gonna taste good. Pretty much. Now it's been about 5 minutes. As you can see, it's starting to sizzle up. You wanna go ahead, flip over the meat so that you can get both sides eat pretty evenly. The mac and cheese over there looks like it's about boiling up. It's about boiling up, just about right. Now when you want to do this, you see where the brown part is? Look, camera down here. You see where the brown part is? You want to make sure that all that stays like that, you feel me? All the meat needs to be like that. If it's still pink in certain places, then you're not done. If you take it out and if you eat it, you're gonna be eating raw meat. If you're eating raw meat, you're dirty. Simple as that. Yeah, you wanna keep that going. This is just damn near about to be ready. So let's go ahead. Easiest way to check up on that. First one to move it. Woo! God damn, it's hot. Make sure you move it around and shit. That's the easiest way how to check. Shit. Take up one. Feel if it's soft, if it's soft enough. Not soft enough, not yet. But if it's soft, then you can take it off. Once you take it off, I'll show you what to do. Go ahead. Meanwhile, you want to just keep this going. Shit. But yeah, you just keep that going. That's about ready. So we can use this again. The strainer. Go ahead, make sure it's washed out. Make sure we don't got none of the juices. Make sure we don't got no more of the juices in there. Grab your oven mitts. As you can see, it's all boiled up, all to perfection. Now you just want to go ahead and hold this up like these. Pour that in there like that. It's pretty hot. You want to take it back. Once you get all the water out, you want to put that back right back in there. And get some milk, your vitamin D milk. Pour about that much in there. Get your shit. Keep that down. Keep that. Make sure I forgot to tell y'all. Make sure you put the fire low once it starts to like heat up a bit more, because you don't want it to sit there and burn out. Take that. If you black, you know you're supposed to do all that. You're supposed to do all that with the packet so that everything goes to the bottom. Open that bitch up. Take some of your cheese. Pour some of that bitch in there, like that. Ooh, that's looking good. Now take your butter. Once you got your butter, pass me a spoon. Hello, man. Go ahead, make sure you always wipe off your utensils before you use them. Take just a scoop of the butter. Oh my God. Well, that's not supposed to happen. My fault, y'all. This is supposed to. That like that. Bring it back to the pot. Bring it back to the stove. Then you want to start mixing it up. Make sure you mix it up real good so that all of that can form and the cheese will melt. Let me put the oven mitt back on. But the cheese will melt. As you can see, we'll bring it out here. This is what it should look like right now. Get your cheese real nice and right. You can see it's real cheesy. And then do a little bit of this. Just like that. Turn off that. And then you want to mix all this together. Now, one thing to remember is I didn't use as much of the ground beef as you can. Normally you're supposed to use a bit more, but I use just a little bit amount because I'm not trying to overdo it with all that. But yeah, that's pretty much. This should be the finished result. Now, if you want to, you can pour a little bit of the grease off, so it's not as greasy. Be like that. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead, get you some parsley flakes. Clearly we do not have parsley flakes right there. Shit. Get you some parsley, some of your parsley flakes. Go ahead and throw those in there. If this shit don't come the fuck out. Here we go. Just like that. No, you don't need no oregano. But yeah, you take some of that. Do a little bit of that like that. Shit. And let's get a little taste of it. I already know it tastes good. Like, as long as y'all will follow it. I know it's gonna taste good, but let's taste something from out of here. That is some good food, and that is cooking with Chef Phantom, Ghetto Hamburger Helper. That's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. If you want some more cooking videos, just leave it down below. I got more secret ingredients. I got more secrets. And yeah, that'll it. I'm out.